taste of Greece to your table with this juicy, tender Greek lemon chicken recipe. Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode I'll show you how to make authentic Greek lemon chicken recipe. I'm gonna serve it with the potatoes, so make sure to watch the video to the end and as always enjoy it. Let's begin. Let's make the marinade for our chicken and potatoes. Take 7 large garlic cloves and chop it fine. This dish is bursting with the Mediterranean flavors, perfect for weeknight dinners or as a special family meal. I'm not showing you how to chop the garlic, you can definitely use the garlic press, but today I feel like chopping it. I'm using today a lot of garlic to keep away the vampires. I feel like a Western chef chopping the garlic with a knife like this. Chinese chefs, cooks, they take a cleaver, smash that thing, and that's all, the business is done. After 20 years of cooking, finally I think I like garlic press more than just chopping it. After the garlic is fully chopped, transfer it into the bowl. Take half a bunch of fresh thyme, remove the leaves from stems and chop it fine. What I love about this chicken recipe, that it's very easy to make with everyday ingredients. It's bright and packed with flavors. Lemon chicken is closely tied to the famous Greek avgolemone, a creamy lemon and egg sauce that often served with chicken and is one of Greeks' favorite comfort foods. After thyme is chopped, add it into the bowl with garlic. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of dry oregano into this marinade. I do not recommend to add the fresh one because I have no clue, the fresh one got no smell, nothing. Add 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, freshly ground black pepper. Take 1 lemon and juice it. I'm using the lemon squeezer, but first don't forget to roll the lemon over the board so it's easier to juice it. First I thought that 1 lemon will be enough, but the lemon had very thick skin, so I got another one and I squeezed it with the lemon juicer. You can add the lemon juice straight into the bowl with garlic and thyme. This is gonna be a marinade for the chicken and the potatoes. 1 squeezed lemon, I'm not gonna discard it, we're gonna pour it inside of the chicken. Finally pour about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Mix the marinade with a fork and put it aside. I'm gonna be using Yukon Gold potatoes, but if you want to, you can definitely stick to Idaho potatoes. Get 4 Yukon Gold potatoes and peel them. Make sure to put the potatoes into the water once it's peeled, so they don't change the color. Lemon is a staple ingredient in Greek cooking. In Greece, lemon is used almost as a salt, from meats and seafood to salads and soups. Lemon juice adds brightness and balance of flavors. Chicken with lemon has ancient roots. Greek has used citrus and olive oil in cooking since ancient times, not only for flavor, but also because lemon juice helped to preserve food in warm climate. Once peeled, cut the potatoes into the quarters. Put them aside for now. If you don't want to use the whole chicken, you can substitute it with the legs, about 3-4 pieces. I got 3 pounds of whole chicken. My butcher did pretty good job, but if your chicken still got the tips of the wings, cut them off, as well as chicken knuckles and any excess fat. In Greece, meals are often seen as social events, not just food. So a dish like lemon chicken is usually enjoyed with family and friends at the table. Then marinate the chicken. You can marinate the chicken overnight, so all the marinade will penetrate the chicken. Or do like I do, marinate it and bake it right away. Fun fact is that the Greeks eat more olive oil per person than any other country in the world, and that's why it's called liquid gold. Generously cover the chicken with marinade and season it with a good amount of salt. Put the squeezed lemons inside of the chicken. Lemons symbolize freshness and purity in Greek culture. Lemon trees is often grown in home gardens, representing life and abundance. Lemon doesn't just add flavor, it also helps to tenderize the chicken while it's marinating. And now let's finish the potatoes. Drain it and pour the marinade over it. Season it with salt and transfer the potatoes into the sheet pan with the chicken and pour half a cup of chicken stock. By the way, chicken wasn't always common in Greece. Goat and lamb were more traditional meats, but chicken dishes become popular in modern Greek homes. Put the lemon chicken and the potatoes in a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about an hour and a half, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. Our chicken is ready, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes and then we're gonna carve it. 1 hour and 20 minutes passed, my chicken is ready, let it rest and carve it. Greek cuisine is one of the oldest cuisines in the world. Greek cooking dates back more than 4,000 years, influenced by ancient traditions, trade and Mediterranean culture. In Greece, eating is about togetherness. Meals often last for hours, filled with conversations, laughter, and sharing food. Greek cooking has been shaped by centuries of interactions with Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans. Lemon chicken recipe reflects Greek culinary philosophy of balancing flavors. The acidity of lemon, the richness of chicken and olive oil, while herbs such as oregano, thyme, and sometimes rosemary add depth. Today, Greek lemon chicken appears in both home kitchen and restaurants worldwide. Often served with roasted potatoes, but you can substitute it with rice or salads. Its simplicity and bold flavors make it an enduring classic. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell, press notify me to get notified about my tasty, delicious videos. The moment that I was waiting for, taste test. Once the chicken is carved, drizzle it with some lemon juice and enjoy it. I like Yukon Gold potato for this recipe. Once again, if you want to, you can definitely substitute it for the Idaho potato. No big deal. Either or will work perfectly. Alright, now let's dig in for some chicken breast. Perfectly cooked. I like this dish. Takes about 15-20 minutes to prep everything. Pop it in the oven, an hour and 20 minutes, and the whole meal is ready. Definitely make it and enjoy it. We got this beautiful Yukon Gold potatoes on a plate. Then I sliced some nice beautiful chicken breast, not dry, juicy chicken breast. And of course we got some dark meat. And on the side I put some wings. You know, if you want, you can snack on and so on. But once again, definitely make this recipe easy, fast, and outstanding for everyday meal.